What's wrong, Alex? Alex, where's your Christmas tree? Where are you looking? Where's your Christmas tree? Oh, let's look. What's Alex? Oh, it's the Christmas tree upstairs. What is that? Is that your block? Sydney, you are really gross. Alex, where's your Christmas tree? Where's the other Christmas tree? I know, but where's the other Christmas tree? Where's the other Christmas tree? Yeah, Mommy's gonna turn the light on so I can see you better. Look at all your blocks on the floor. I can see you! Alex, where's the other Christmas tree? No, that Christmas tree. Where's the other Christmas tree? Where's the other Christmas tree? Where's the Christmas tree, bud? You're not even gonna look at it. Where's your truck? Where's your truck? Daddy took it. Is it in the toy box? Alex, here's your truck, baby. What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, Shelly, I want you to look at this. Not a tear in his eye. Look, show Shelly that face. What's the matter? That's not a truck, baby. That's your piano. What do you want? You want your car? Your car? Brum brum. Let me move your lawnmower. Okay, what are you looking for, bub? What's he looking for? A tractor? No. What is it?
Hi there. Let's roll.
Alex? Alex? Alexander? You don't have to take everything out of the box. Honey, your truck is over here. Look. Look. You don't even want the truck now. Okay.
Goodbye.
What do you see, bud? You want your train? Shelly, I guess what I could have told you is that I took some of his toys out today and put them away because he had too many down here. So really, I have no idea what he's looking for. And I kind of think he doesn't know either. Alexander. Alex, can you say hi to Shelly? Sweet Pea. Hey. Are you ticklish? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. Oh, he is ticklish. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Hey, you. Can you say hi to Shelly? Hey, let's show Shelly those curls on the back of your head.